there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to show you the TobenONE laptop docking station. This is also to connect the dual monitor through HDMI. You can use this USB-C docking station for as a stand-up a laptop. You can use it for
because with some audio jack, an SD card slot, a microSD, two USB ports, one 3.0, one 10 gigabits per second, two Type-C. On this side, this is the host connection, another Type-C, two HDMI ports, Ethernet, and an extra USB 3.0. It's all metal. It's really light. Comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable and a 100-watt charger.
You can use this dock station to connect all your devices. I'm gonna show you right here in this video.
So this is the power cord. Straight to power outlet. It comes with this Type-C to Type-C cable. This is here to laptop. The host needs to be connected here. Now it has power. The LED is on. Now I'm going to connect the HDMIs. That's the one. That's number two. We connect this to the end to the laptop. Good. So I'm gonna use the Windows because the Mac has issues. Just plug from here. This on the docking. I already plugged the receiver for the keyboard and mouse. The mouse works perfectly. I can plug nice tabs. And also I can plug the microSD cards. There you go. Use this to plug to the power. Yeah, I can extend the monitors. It's really good.